Alright, so here is the best way on how to use Apple Pay in store without card. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and simple to use Apple Pay in store without using your cards, and you can just use Apple Pay with your phone or any other iPhone. So what you can simply do is just go to App Library and search up Wallet and open it up. And right over here, you'll directly see the option of add debit card or credit card. You just got to go ahead and press on add option. And right over here, you'll see the add to wallet. So you can add debit or credit card or transit card. So we don't need transit card. You just got to go ahead and press on debit card. And right over here, you'll see Apple Pay. Just go ahead and press on continue. And right over here, it will ask you the option to hold your phone near your card, and it will just scan it and it will automatically add it. But if you want to enter it manually, just enter card details manually and then name and card number directly. So yeah, this, and you can go to settings. If you don't want to do it through the app, just go to settings and scroll down until you see the option of wallet and Apple Pay. Just go ahead and open it up. Right over here, you gotta press on add card, and you can just do the same process and add credit or debit card just like this, and it's pretty simple. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.